cool old school truck. Oh yeah.
Smell this buzz?
Yeah.
Buzz smells nice.
That bus smells good.
Smells good right in everything. Look at this fucking thing.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that was cool, man. Wow.
Free, big deal.
Right on. Yeah, we probably could have found a parking spot in here if we went for it. Look at this. Look at that old school Boltaco Yamaha.
Yeah, dude.
That's cool. I haven't seen one of them in a long time. Jeep's pretty serious too. This thing's awesome. Yeah, that thing is badass too. Look at that. 187. Gotta love cool Jeeps. That was a cool van right there. Oh! Guy's hitting it hard. Little motocross track he just made.
Yeah, it'll never be a real 250. It'll never be a 400 even, but it is fun.
It's even got a really cool headlight on it.
Oh, full LED, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
BMW. Look at that headlight.
Oh, yeah.
Ridiculous. Yeah, that thing's nasty. Oh yeah, throaty. You see where the shock is? They put the shock behind the.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's just the forks are stiff. It's like it's got this. Yeah, so when you don't get any brake dive with that suspension.
Oh, man.
Yeah, like it eliminates brake dive somehow. It's incredible.
It separates your steering from your braking forces.
Wow.
Pretty good.
There he is.
Awesome.
There he is.
Gonna go for a wheelie, but whoa, 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 whoa! Oh!
All right.
You alright, brother? Good save.
Right on, man. Yeah!
Wow.
I like this side-by-side race. It gives a whole different fucking thing on it, man.
One of the coolest parts of coming to a motorcycle race. Cool Porsches like this. Oh yeah. AMA flat track. Whoa, that's no joke right there. This guy's serious. Notice how it has the SC after the 911.